morning, Professor, women in class. Now we are the first group to present about our product is about the COSCO shipping report. As previous part, which finished in introduction of the COSCO shipping, like founding a scale, like business, organization, people, class, and network and corporate. The second, we already talked about the history of COSCO shipping from 2016 to 2024, and the period time the COSCO have a good trend. And next, we already talked about the business project and scale of COSCO shipping. They have some cluster like shipping industrial, port industrial, logistics industrial, integration of industrial and finance cluster. Decided they have already have equipment and manufacturing industrial and some value-added service industrial cluster. Digital overseas and the next is about the COSCO global business scale. We already talked about one of the largest in the world with a total 1,500 vessels. And they also invest in more than 50 terminals around the world. And next is about the COSCO vision mission. We already talked about their mission is to become a world-class container service supplier, and its focuses on customer, technology, and creating value. Their mission is to ensure the stable and smooth operation of the industrial and supply chain, actively build a global and digital container supply chain service system, and create greater value for global customer and upstream and downstream partners. Number two, we already talk about the business operation with with business digitalized, with organization structure concept, with organization charts, and we have some key point in consolidated financial statement of COSCO shipping from 2020 to 2024. And we already analyzed the financial indicator of COSCO shipping in this period of time, with two units volume and revenue of COSCO shipping. And number three, we already finished about the competitive environment of COSCO shipping with 5 force analysis, with SWOT analysis with some strength, weakness, opportunity, risk. Like they have some strength like extensive flat and global network, strong support on the mainland Chinese market, and diversified business portfolio. With their opportunity is the intermodal and land sea integrated transport. And they have a belt and road initiative, and green shipping and sustainability. Also talk about their weakness, the complex management, challenge in integrating new technologies, and over-reliance on certain trade route. And number four is about risk. They have some risk from the geopolitical risk, from the global economic fluctuation, from the intense market competition. And we've already finished in ESG analysis with some key points from environment, social, and governance. With environment, COSCO purchasing green development and increasing green element in building a world-class enterprise. With social, they focus on purchasing sustained growth and building a people-oriented world-class enterprise. With governance, they enhancing the integrity management and laying a solid foundation for building a world-class enterprise. About the sustainable development goal, they focus on key points like 16 with peace, justice, and strong institution. In climate action, they focus on long-term targets, governance, flat decarbonization, green operation result, and they have some result in investment in public CO2 intensity metrics, bio usage, and abatement investment. And 16.2, they focus about a life below water with some follow marpone, manage waste, use scrubber in sea car, reduce black smoke, expand waterborne, so on. They also focus in Number 9, industry innovation and infrastructure. Number 12, responsible consumption and production. 7, partnership for the goal. Number 3, for good health and well-being. For gender. Number 5, and decent work and economic growth. Number 8. And now our team will follow with the analysis of COSCO shipping competitive strategies. The first one is Little Tony.
So for cost leadership strategy, as the early 2025, COSCO shipping holding operation a fleet of over 557 vessels, and also the total capacity have surpassed 3.4 million TEU. This shows their position in the global top tier of the industry. Because it is meso-sized, the company enjoy economically of the scale. This giving them strong bargaining power in service key area, such as shipping parliament and bunker and terminal handling and financing. Okay, so let's talk about ocean islands. COSCO is a part of the ocean islands, and this is a team of the shipping companies. They are sharing their ship with each other, and they don't need to buy ship for every single route. They can use their partnership, and also they offer decreased port code. This means their ship goes straight to the destination, no transfer. Also, they have the product is called Day 8. Also, the ocean islands have the COSCO, CFA, Evergreen, and OCL. And this is most important to support for the COSCO cost leadership strategy. In 2024, they launched the Day 8 series products as a smart plan to handle the Red Sea crisis and market change. This is a product bringing two main cost advantage. First is allow the risk and capacity sharing. The Day 8 product uses 350 vessels with the total capacity of 4.8 million TEU. For the islands, COSCO doesn't need to pay for all expensive ship alone. They reduce the depreciation cost and help the members share the high cost fuel and shipping renting. Second, the Day 8 provides over 418 decreased port pay. This large network help control costs by removing transshipment costs. Because the ship go directly to the destination, the company save money and holding fee and storage fee at a middle port. Also, the decreased service make the ascent to turnover fast. This means containers are used and returned more quickly, which further lower the cost of renting equipment. In summary, Day 8 product makes the global network more efficient and help COSCO to keep its cost very low. Okay, let's do Jimmy.
Next is differentiation strategy. One is shipping plus port plus logistics, Trinity service. Unlike traditional point-to-point shipping line, COSCO emphasizes an end-to-end forwarding service by leveraging its global network of proprietary terminals and island logistics systems. It provides one-stop solutions from the factory gate to the destination warehouse, significantly reducing transshipment risk and risk times. Next is leadership in digitalization and green shipping. The company has invested heavily in digital platforms such as the GSBN Blockchain Alliance to achieve transparency and paperless documentation. And they investing in LNG-powered vessels and green metal ships. They provide low-carbon transportation options for ESG-conscious global clients. And 3 is store brand operating model. Following the acquisition of OOCL, COSCO maintained a dual strategy. COSCO shipping focused on global network scale, while OOCL maintains its reputation for superior IT systems and broad customer service, allowing the group to capture different market segments at the same time.
And number 3, we will talk about the concentration characteristics of COSCO shipping. And with these characteristics, for COSCO shipping focus in 4 key points. One is a key customer segment. Number 2 is geographic focus. Number 3 about the service requirement, and the last one is the trade initiative. The first one about the key customer segment. They focus in around some of customer like group like Benefit Cargo Owner. It is the more important direct customer group, including the multimodal corporation and large manufacturer like retail and consumer goods, like electronics and home appliance, like automotive industry. And number two, they focus in the freight forwarder and NOVCC COSCO Act as the primary carrier for intermediary. With some major logistics firms such as DHL, they book space on COSCO shipping to serve their own smaller clients. And this segment have COSCO shipping field bursts of capacity without the need to manage thousands of small individual account directly. The group 3 is about industrial and energy clients through specialized subsidies such as COSCO shipping pump, bulk, or energy transportation. They focus on mining and metallurgy, about energy, heavy equipment manufacturing. And the group 4 of their customer is cross-border e-commerce. In recent years, COSCO has aggressively expanded into this segment, like Alibaba, like JD.com or Amazon. COSCO provides integrated logistics solution from warehouse to sea freight to optimize delivery time. K2 of this gestures is about the geographic focus with some route connecting like Asia, especially with China, with Europe, North America, Africa, South America, and Oceania. And they have a network of port and terminal in over 116 countries, with some hubs like Shanghai, Paris in Greece, and Los Angeles. With some key geographic area and ranges, like the first one, Asia and Europe and Mediterranean, a core focus using pilots as a major Mediterranean hub in Asia, Europe trades, supporting for the Belt and Road initially logistics. The initial is from the government of China. Number 2 is Trans-Pacific, a strong presence on both West and East Coast of the America, and some terminal in Los Angeles. With the emerging market actively developing route to South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia, building supply chain resort in this region. With the inland multimodal expanding beyond sea route into the European rail and cross-border US-Mexico logistics, aiming for integrated supply chain solution. With the key point in the service requirements, COSCO is evolving from the traditional shipping line into the comprehensive global supply chain solution provider. With this digitalization, they use some blockchain via GSPN and AI to enhance transparency, allowing customers to track shipment in real time. With the multimodal transport, they combining sea, rail, and road to provide end-to-end service. In the decarbonization idea, they meet strict emission reduction requirement by investing in green fuel blast like methanol or LNG to retain major clients with environmental commitment. In the service personalization, tailoring with service based on a specific shipment need. Integrated strategies, they combine globalization, digitalization, and supply chain, and it's leverage its extend global port network and the foundation to deploy high value added service. And for the trade suite in initiative, now is you can show the one of the title in the marine executive. Now is COSCO go big with 7 billion US dollar order for 87 ship in vessel renewal project. Now COSCO focusing on a global digital supply chain operation and investment platform. This initiative reflects its commitment to meeting evolving needs of its global customer like invest in a new virtual and like in the 2024 with combined capacity around 200,000 TEUs. And now they order 87 ships in virtual renewal project. Why they have to do that? Because it can maintain the company's scale advantage while optimizing the fleet, include container shipping, dry bulk shipping, oil and gas transportation, and so on. Among the vessel types, different are ultra-large container ship, ultra-large bulk carrier, ultra-large oil tanker, some multimodal heavy lift vessel, MR tanker, ro-ro ship, and small box ship, MR ro-ro ship. And next, we will talk about this diversification, investment, and strategies also.
Okay, for the 5.1, the vertical integration. This is the most critical part, and COSCO is not just a shipping company. They control three key areas. For one is the upstream, for making. They're making their own ship and containers. And second is the downstream, the delivery. They have their own port and the trucks. For the three is the service, because they have the money, they have their own bank and the insurance. Okay, for the shipbuilding, the Nantong COSCO KHI North Victoria next is the first large-scale joint venture between the COSCO shipping and the Japanese Kawasaki heavy industry. And since the 1925, next has been benchmark in China's shipping building industry. And the famous for its land management and high productivity. Its technical standard match the top level in Japan and Korea. They're making in one of the most competitive shipping yard globally. The company have two massive docks and the high-tech equipment to building the high-value and eco-friendly ship. Their product line including ultra-large container ship and modern dual-fuel ship. So far, they have delivered over 200 high-quality vessels by focus on innovation and quality. Next has become a key strategic partner for the world-leading shipping companies. Also, the container making. They have their own Shanghai Universal. It's the second largest container maker in the world when there is a shortage of the containers. COSCO doesn't worry because they just make their own. It's a huge advantage. And for the downstream, we call the port and logistics. For the key port, they buy a key port like Paris in Europe and Chenqi in Premium and all improve giving them plain breathing. This means then the port busy COSCO shipping don't wait in line container making. So we can show this table. They have share building maybe 100 or 90 to invest the port. For the logistic, the end-to-end delivery on August 27, 2024, COSCO Shipping and TCL launched their North America warehouse project in Fontana, California. This project is major milestone for their end-to-end logistics strategy to improve the supply chain in North America. The new warehouse is a great location near the port and the airport. It uses digital system for the real-time tracking to ensure the fast, reliable delivery for TCL products. In the future, the two companies will continue to work together on the warehouse last mile delivery. By using a large global network, COSCO will help more companies to improve their efficiency and succeed in the global markets. And for the end is the service, financial insurance. They have an internal bank. The shipping costs a lot of money, so COSCO has an internal branch called the COSCO Development. It acts like a bank, and they borrow money and at a low rate and lend it to the shipping team. Let's keep costs down, and also have to the insurance. Usually, companies buy the huge money for the insurance. COSCO create their own insurance company, so they can pay the insurance fee to themselves, and profit will stay inside the group.
Next is horizontal diversification. One is on energy transportation. COSCO Shipping Energy and specialized in crude oil and LNG transport, boasting one of the world's largest tanker fleets. Next is dry bulk shipping. COSCO operates a massive fleet for commodities like iron ore and coal, ranking among the top globally. And three is specialized carriers, providing semi-submersible and multi-purpose vessels for heavy lift cargo, such as wind turbine, glass, and oil rigs. And four is container leasing and manufacturing. Through COSCO Shipping Development, the company operates its container leasing business and possesses world-leading container manufacturing capacity. And five is shipping finance and leasing, utilizing its maritime expertise to offer financial service and vessel leasing, diversifying its revenue streaming beyond the physical freight. And six is regional markets depending, aligned with the Belt and Road Initiative. The company has horizontally expanded its footprint by managing key overseas hubs, such as the port of Piraeus in Greece, strengthening its market share and geopolitical influence as critical global maritime nodes.
And the next one we will talk about concentric diversification investment strategies. The first one, COSCO Shipping concentric diversification investment strategies is mainly about building an integrated shipping supply chain ecosystem, and they have a growth profile derived as 3+4 industrial ecosystem. Which we have a three core industry like shipping, port, and logistics. About the shipping industrial cluster, the group operates a diverse shipping industrial cluster encompassing a container, dry bulk, oil tankers, special cargo, and a passenger liner. And with port industrial cluster, the port industrial cluster is committed to becoming a customer-oriented, global leading integrated port operator and strive to rely the shift from the global operator to a global leader. From a terminal investment operator to the integrated port operator, and from extending growth to the leapfrog growth. Number three, the logistic industrial cluster is committed to become a third-party logistics service provider in the business coverage and leading our market position. Next is about the vertical integration, shipping, port, and logistics. You can see this is in the annual report of COSCO. They focus on to build a global terminal network in connectivity and keep exploring investment in emerging regional country market. With upstream downstream expansion, COSCO shipping port mentioned enhancing port service capability via investment or repurchase upstream and downstream along the industrial chain. With number two, the pillar number two is about the terminal equipment and leasing. They focus to the container manufacturing, to the container leasing and ship leasing. With the focus on shipping and logistics industry, COSCO is committed to developing a container manufacturing, container leasing, and shipping leasing business chain at the core business. It's aimed to achieve the integrated development of production finance investment through investment management. And the report states that the company is the world's second largest container manufacturer, serving globally renowned shipping line and major container leasing company. Four, they talk about the supporting value-added industrial like shipping finance, equipment, manufacture industrial cluster, and value-added service, digital innovation, industrial cluster. The pillar number three is a smart and green as a long-term investment term. With port, we're promoting a smart port with AI and green low carbon development. With shipping, advancing the initial related to green fuel and dual vessel like ammonia through partnership and investment. Pillar 4 is about the management cycling risk. They use full chain supply chain service to smooth volatility. It's been COSCO offer a package service across the mutual link of the logistics chain like shipping booking, like port handling steep door, like warehousing, like trucking, land and rail, like custom clearance is a one circle to the final delivery. They focus that they will have some benefit like multiple revenue stream. When ocean freight rate decline, COSCO can still earn from the port warehousing, inland logistics, and value-added service. More stable customer contract, it means end-to-end solution are often easier to lock into longer-term arrangement instead of spot rate ocean freight. And they can cost optimization through the integration by connecting the link three key points: ship, port, and logistics. COSCO can coordinate capacity, schedule, empty container repositioning, and terminal warehouse use more efficiently, reducing cost and operational disruption in our circle. They can integrating resource by coordinating and combining group capability and higher value per shipment instead of profiting only from the ocean length. COSCO capture value across the upstream and downstream service and extending the value along the chain, participating in more state of the supply chain to capture more value rather than earning just only in the one segment. And the last one is about the conclusion and recommendation of our group. About the conclusion, COSCO Shipping has solidified its position as one of the world's leading integrated shipping and logistics group. Thanks to its massive flat scale, extensive global port network, and diverse industries ecosystem. Cruise shippers participate on the Ocean Alliance and continue plus modernization, achieve cost leadership and advantage while maintaining growth with global connectivity. Jurisdically, COSCO differentiation driven by an integrated ship port logistics model. And in a summary, COSCO is transforming from a traditional shipping line into a comprehensive global supply chain solution provider. Its evolution established a solid foundation for long-term, high-quality growth despite the uncertainties of the international market. And we have some recommendations for COSCO Shipping. First one is strengthen end-to-end supply chain integration, celebrate digital transformation and AI integration, optimize the flex expansion and capacity management. Number 4 is consolidate leadership in green shipping and ESG. Number 5, expand the presence in emerging market. Number 6, enhancing organization governance flexibility. Number 7, we have a recommendation in the optimize the financial benefit of horizon diversification. And number 8 is predictive maintenance. And thank you for your listening. And today is the last day of this year too, so we have to send some best wishes for you, especially for Professor Yang and on classmate. I hope that you have more healthy, more successful, and more lucky in your life. Thank you so much. 谢谢大家。